Hello everyone, welcome back to Gary's Table. If you're new here, I'm Gary Rice. I've been a home cook for more than 50 years, and this series is all about the stories behind the food and the flavors that I love. Today, I'm doing something a little different. I'm going to give you a sneak peek into what's cooking in the upcoming Gary's Larder videos. But first, have you tried making any of my recipes yet? Let me know in the comments. I would love to hear your stories and your experience. If you're lucky, I might just feature one or two of your own recipes or ideas in future episodes. Also, if you enjoy what you see, don't forget to subscribe and share my videos with your friends to help our community grow. So first things first, coming up on this Sunday is a comfort food favorite, mac and cheese. This dish isn't just about the cheese, it's also about the warmth and nostalgia that it brings along with it. And I believe that comfort food is essential for self-care, and there's nothing more caring than enjoying a heaping portion of mac and cheese. It can really comfort you and lift your spirits. I can hardly wait for you to try this one out. Next up is one of my family's favorite recipes, Lemon Chicken Escalopes. This dish is a celebration of family connections and the joy of sharing meals together across the generations. And also I will share my family's secret on how to make this dish extra special. This dish reminds me of the bonds and continuity that we can create gathered around the dinner table. And I hope it'll inspire you to cook, connect, and come together with the special people in your life too. And it's an absolutely delicious chicken dish that's easy to make, and I know we can all use more of those. It really is special, so look for that one. And finally, I've been testing recipes and developing a recipe for my new cake, Pastel Alba. And that cake's inspired by my recent travels and a meeting with a dear friend, Alba. And she has challenged me to create a cake based on her memory of a white cake that she loved. And food has this remarkable ability to connect us to different cultures, times, and places, including Alba's native Argentina. I'm excited to find out if this cake can truly capture some of her favorite memories. Now, I might be able to persuade her to join me as a guest on an upcoming Gary's Table. Cake certainly has a way to bring us together and to bring a slice of the wider world to our own table. So those are just a few of the delicious recipes that you can expect to see soon in Gary's Urban Larder. I'm always happy to bring recipes to life and share them with you. And getting to taste and enjoy each of them is a pretty good gig too. So please don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more delicious content. Do leave me some comments, your thoughts below, and let me know if there's a recipe that you'd like to see me try in future. And share some of your own. I can't wait to see how creative you are. Well, that's it from me. Thanks for joining me today at Gary's Table, and I'll see you next time. Bye.